Yung Almoranas mo nakalabas.
What's wrong?
Ate. Umupo ka naman na, no? Talk to your wife.
Yeah. When do you go back to your home?
I don't know.
Do you go back to the BGC?
Very soon, yeah. Very soon.
Maybe soon. You don't like to join us to go to the Christmas tree?
What is the Christmas tree?
Christmas tree? No, I'm Wilson. Tell me if you want to go home. Okay? And if you want to stay, if you're happy.
Did you know it? Clap your hands.
Oh, it's raining.
Take medicine.
It means.
Take medicine. It's rainy. Hey, take medicine because you have a scratch. Scratch balls.
Thanks,
What? Antare. What can you say
You
about
like
her?
this? You like this? Oh, you have rosary.
Manalangin ka muna, te.
Like this. Take care of that. Ah, you like it?
Sautan mo, no? Wow, so sweet! Ay, bagay sa kanya, no? Sobrang puti niya kasi.
Wow!
You're handsome. Very, very handsome.
Thank you, sir.
You know what's the meaning of this?
My connection doesn't work. Want to see my Philippines tattoo?
Oh!
Huh?
Have you been in Baguio?
Bali.
How about this? We have to put.
Have you been in Baguio?
No.
You go there. It's nice.
I leave tomorrow.
I will go Baguio.
I've only
When?
been to Cebu.
Yes, tomorrow. I don't know.
Are you going Baguio?
Yes, my friend is inviting me on Baguio.
Oh, sayang.
I
I don't
if
dare.
that is a true or false.
Suot mo sa live mo yung jersey, ah. Nautos. Wow, ang dami namang gift ni Miss Catering. Ay, ang ganda.
You like it? This is for you and this for me. Black and white.
Is this for me?
Oo. One on one. This is for me. You like?
Uy, lumalabas. Ang ganda. Bagay na bagay sa'yo, te.
Sampo! Sampo! Nag-isa tayo dito, Mari.
May mga, mag-shoutout muna yung mga kasama nating K-pop. Mga Blackpink in the area. Ayan na. Bye, we're going home.
We're going home?
Where we're going to.
Bye-bye.
We're going home.
Oh.
Take care. I love you. How about you? Are you going home later part?
I don't know.
Stay. I will go to the Ferris wheel. You like it? You're not scared? Oh, me, I'm scared.
It's raining.
Yes, it's raining.
So many people.
It's raining in Manila, so we have to go.
Uwi na kami. Mag-gym pa kami. Bye-bye.
Thank you for
Magsa-sauna pa kami. Ano yung sama? We're going sauna.
We're going to sauna. You wanna join?
Sauna?
Yeah.